and we let it go. Sunset high and our bodies low. Blood rush in the hazy glow. My hands still cold. You start.
Hello guys, today I will show you how to get the Taskmanager in Darkmode. So you go to your search bar and just search for Xbox Game Bar. When you don't have it, then go to my description below and download it from this website here. So when you have it, then go and press Windows and G, and this menu here opens up. Just press this one, this one, this one, with this one and this one away, and open this one and this one. The other ones are for audio and recording and things, but you don't really need it. So when you open this one and this one, you can see on the left side your CPU, GPU, VRAM, RAM monitoring, and your FPS when you're in-game. And on the right side you can see your resources like in the Taskmanager. And yeah, so you can also close windows like in the Taskmanager. And when you want to change the color of the text here, or the color of the process here, just go here and you can change the color here to green, orange, red, white, and so. And same is for the other menu. So when you've done it, you can press Windows and G and the window close. When you're in game or something and you want to see your FPS or CPU, GPU usage, just press Windows and G and the menu opens up and you can see it. So for the people who have a second monitor and want to see the menu all the time, just press this one and this one here, and then you can press Windows and G and the windows are all the time open, and you can't get it away. You must open Windows and G and there you can put it away. So when you're in game and have a second monitor, this tip is helpful for you, but when not, just leave this so, and when you're in game then press Windows and G and this opens up, and Windows and G and it closed. So I hope you liked the tutorial and leave a like.